What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. This is kind of a part two for a couple things. Last time, this is following a tips and tricks tutorial that I downloaded right from the Microsoft site. Um, and it was interesting for the couple tabs that I had. I got cut off doing the if function one. I did a quick video on this previously. I'll put a link for that in the description. But essentially, yeah, I just wanted to kind of quickly walk through what they have here. They have the formula already written out for you. So they write down a list of names here, the scores. There's no formula here if you click on the cell. But if you read the instructions here, to use the if function, double click the yellow cell. And then they're saying, in a situation, if you said it out loud, Excel would say, if C8, the cell C8, is greater than or equal to the number 70, then show yes. If not, show no. So in my other video, when I talk about an if function, it is the same concept. It's saying it's a binary answer. So if it's not this, then it's that. So that's what they have set up here. They have this whole column is already pre-filled with the formula here. So it's saying this is the if formula. If C8, and this is the greater than sign, or equal to, right? So if they're used together, greater than or equal to 70. And you see how when you click on the formula itself, this pops up? So the test, so what's the situation here? And we just establish if that cell is greater than or equal to 70, value if true. It says then show yes, right? If value if true, say yes. If false, say no. Notice that too, since these are words, you have to put them in quotation marks. Otherwise it won't work. It won't register as text. So you just got to make sure if you want something, a situation to happen, and if you want a response to show, like that are words, just make sure that you have quotes around them. So this was nice. This is a good way they had the example kind of already out for you. Didn't really change it up much. What is this one? You can use the new ifs function to specify multiple conditions. Oh, yeah, so this is just one thing. That's a little more advanced. I can't really go over that right now. But they have these formulas here, so if it's with multiple situations going on, so not just one thing, but if multiple, I know it sounds kind of vague, but that's kind of what this is implying here. So yeah, so that was pretty good. And if you haven't seen the other if function video, if you're still kind of confused, maybe the other one will kind of help clear it up for you. So that's about it. I just wanted to kind of finish up my other video from that and kind of use this as a bit of a segue to the other if function video that I made. Well, thanks so much for watching, and if you like what you saw, please give us a subscription. Thanks.